In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable Passkey on Amazon. If you'd like to log into your Amazon account using Face ID or fingerprint recognition, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on this secure feature. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In at the top and log into your Amazon account. After signing in, click on your name at the top, then scroll down and click See All next to the Your Account section. Next, scroll down and select Login and Security. On this page, scroll again until you see the option for Passkey. Click Edit, then choose Add Passkey. You'll be prompted to verify your identity using Face ID or your fingerprint. Once verified, the Passkey will be successfully added to your account. It's that simple and adds an extra layer of convenience and security. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful Amazon tutorials.